Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod. Very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam's real name was Avul Fakir Jainullah Uddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on October 15, 1931 at Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, then Madras Presidency. He was born in a humble Muslim family. Among his four brothers, he was the youngest one, and he had one sister. He studied physics in St. Joseph College and aerospace engineering in Madras Institute of Technology. He worked in DRDO, Defense Research Organization, Development Organization, and ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, for more than 4 decades. He launched Agni, Prithvi, and various other projects. He was instrumental in developing indigenous hover aircraft. The second nuclear test was successful in 1998 at Pokhran 2. First was at 1974. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was awarded with Padma Vibhushan and many more awards. Finally, he got award in 1998 of Bharat Ratna. He was good in scientific and science administration related work. Later on, he became very good in political and other activities conducted by his teamwork. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.